Hi, I'm Carl from the Suffolk Latch Company. We've got the door hung now, and the next part is to get the Suffolk Latch fitted. So this is a short video on how to fit a Suffolk Latch. For this particular door here, the door is opening towards me. So one thing about Suffolk Latches is that depending on how the door works, or the way it opens, determines which way the latch goes. So you might feel that you want to see that side on this door here, but that's not going to happen. For this particular door, you're going to see the latch bar side, and there's no way around it. And so with modern doors, with modern mortise latches, obviously the handle opposite the latch, that's internal in the door, and things don't, you can have things how you like. But with this kind of traditional ironmongery, the way your door opens does determine which side the latch will appear. So there are a few component parts. There's the Suffolk Latch with the thumb part, and by depressing the thumb part, lifts up the thing called the latch bar. Traditionally, that would be held in place with a knock-in staple. The idea is you drive all the way through the door and then clench it over. A couple of drawbacks there. A, it's not very nice, it looks a bit ugly, and B, you've only got one chance of getting it right. You get that one wrong, your door's screwed. On the other side, you've got the little keeper, which the latch bar will go into. What you're most likely going to be using, what we're going to use today, is what we call a screw-on staple. It in effect contains the latch bar, and it looks quite nice really. On this particular door here, you'll see we've used our pewter hinges with a traditional beeswax latch. The reason for that is it's in our showroom, so we want to show our customers how they look. Okay, over to Reese.
Take the door and carefully mark where the latch bar, keeper and thumb bar pass through the door. Drill out all the pilot holes, making sure that you're doubly careful not to drill right through the door. For doors where the handle fits on the ledge side, it's important to fit a block of timber. This ensures the Suffolk Latch lays flat across the door. Mark out on both sides of the door using a set square where the thumb latch bar will eventually pass through. Fit the rouser with a 5mm plunging bit and create a slot from both sides of the door. On the latch side of the door, fix the latch bar and screw-on staple into position. Pass the Suffolk Latch through the opening and making sure it's level. Mark all fixing holes, pilot drill and fix in place with the screws provided. Now it's time to fit the keeper. Drill a hole about 5mm below the latch bar, drill a pilot hole, then knock in place using a block of timber to protect the metal. Finally, secure in place with a wooden screw provided. The next stage is to offer up the architrave and carefully mark the area of latch bar travel. Offer up the architrave and mark a round, leaving adequate space to allow the latch bar to move freely. Finally fix the architrave in position. Thanks for watching this video. This is part of a series covering things like how to clean the ironmongery, how to fit a hinge, how to fit a Suffolk latch. Also the door behind which I've just done. Do apologise, it hasn't been quite finished yet. Got a little bit of sanding and painting off, but we're sort of running out of time. So if you click any of the on-screen links, it'll take you to various videos which are all related to sort of the fitting of traditional hand-forged ironmongery with legend brace doors. And thank you for watching, and if you like the video and found it informative, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.